Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Hacks. In this playlist, I want you to give a taste of microservice architecture. And for that, we are going to build a mini microservice application. In this video, I want you to give an overview of what we are going to build. Basically, it is a simple Blogger app where user can create posts. So whenever user opens up our application, we will show him a form like this, where user can create posts. To make things simple, we are going to use one text box and a submit button. So user can type title of post and hit the submit button. Here, for example, my post, user has entered this as a title and click on the submit button. After the submission, we will show the newly created post at the bottom of our page. So this is an example where user has created a new post. Along with the title of the post, we will also show the number of comments to the user correspond to that particular post only. Now, a user can also create new posts here. For example, if I write test comment edit as a text for comment and hit the submit button, then user can see the newly created comment along with the change in comment count also. And of course, we can create as many posts as we want to. For example, if we want to create a new post with title post #2 and hit the submit button, then a new post will created with the comment count and the comments. So in a nutshell, this application is pretty straightforward with two features. Now let's break down this application based on the resources and features and understand technical aspects of it. So first thing we need to understand that is how many services we are going to build. For now, we will create one separate service for each resource in our application. By looking at the mockup, we can make a guess that there are going to be two different type of resources, posts and comments. So in total, we will create two services in this application. One is post service that will be responsible for the creation of new posts and listing of existing posts. Secondly, we will create comments service and it will be responsible for the creation of new comments and listing of existing comments. One thing you must note here is that comment service is going to be little bit complex because we need to make a relationship between comments and the posts. For example, if user want to see top 10 posts, then we must show comments of only those 10 posts that user want to see instead of all the comments. It means we have to manage a relationship between the comments and the posts. So that's it from this video. In the next video, we will start with the project structure and we will also do some installation stuff. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.